Before we get started, there's a special discount link for Keravita Pro Dietary Supplement in the description of this video. 5 steps to support good nails and hair. Hi, I'm Benjamin Jones. I live in a small town near Tallahassee, Florida, together with my dear wife, Gemma. For 17 years, I've been a long-time researcher passionate to help people all over the world on how to live better lives and spread awareness on how anyone can help support a healthy set of nails and hair. Now, as I near the end of my career, I want to share all the mountains of knowledge I've gathered all these years regarding how to take proper care of your nails and hair. And while you might be tempted to try out all those trendy creams and meds, I must let you in on a little secret. The key to support healthy and strong nails and hair is not limited to the substances you apply locally. I have prepared for you a list of strategies that can effectively help you support your nails and your general health and enhance your mood at the same time. Keep your feet clean and dry. This might seem like common sense at first, but I can guarantee that your feet are the most neglected part of your body. When you get into the shower, I recommend you start making a habit of thoroughly washing your feet with warm water and soap, insisting on the toes and nails. After you've showered, use a cotton towel to dry your feet. Any moisture that remains may attack your nail bed and cause the perfect medium for problems to develop. Keep your nails thin. Another important aspect of healthy nails is their thickness. You can use hundreds of local remedies on your toes and they will have no effect if they can't penetrate your nail. You can either make an appointment with a pedicurist to file down your nails, or, if you'd rather save money, you can do it at home but only with a clean and disinfected file to prevent further problems. Avoid homemade remedies. It's very easy and convenient to make use of simpler methods, with things you can find in your own home. Things such as apple cider vinegar or tea tree oil might work on the moment and you might see some small changes, but in the long term, they don't work to address the root cause of nail problems. This root cause is most of the time internal, and I found out that sometimes, these so-called remedies only make it worse. Wear lightweight and breathable socks. Socks are overlooked most of the time. After all, it's just a piece of fabric that you cover your foot with, right? Wrong. A good pair of socks will allow your feet and nails to breathe, making it easier to support healthy nails. Don't wear polystyrene socks, as they will make your feet sweat twice as fast. Instead, invest in a good set of pure cotton or linen socks that are not only healthier for your feet and nails but comfier as well. Don't walk barefoot. While at the pool or even in your own home, you might be tempted to walk barefoot. I recommend you use a pair of socks or slippers, so you can avoid coming in direct contact with the bacteria on that certain surface. No matter how clean you think that